Hi guys, it's me Abby and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, as you can see naman sa title ng video na ito, I will be bleaching my hair. So before we get started, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell button below for you to be updated para sa mga next videos ko. So let's get it on! So, ito po yung gagamitin kong bleach para sa buhok ko, which is nabili ko po siya sa Shopee Taiwan for $99. And sa loob po ng box, which is my decolorizer and the bleach. So, dalawa po sila. So, what we need to do is i-mix lang po natin together, ready for use. So, dito ko po sila pag-mixin, which is gagamitin ko yung chopstick para po i-mix sila since wala po tayo masyadong gamit. So, i-mix ko lang po. So, ayun guys, na-mix na po natin siya. And, ang i-bleach ko lang po is this part of my hair. So, I hope magkasya siya kasi sobrang kapal ng buhok ko. And kukunti lang po pala yung 2 boxes. So, eto na. Wish me luck! buhok ko yung mix and I'll be leaving it for 20 minutes. Then saka ko siya i-rinse off. So I'll be right back once na banlawan ko na siya.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I'm back and yes, nabanlawan ko na po yung bleach sa buhok ko. Nakaligo na rin po ako actually. So, ito na po yung outcome niya. Wow! Ayan. So far naman po, maganda naman po yung effect ng bleach. And I like it. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget as well to subscribe and click the notification bell button below para maging updated kayo sa mga gagawin ko pang videos. Bye!